Namaskar. Today we will study the alligation method, and this is a method of dilution. And in pharmacy we use this method to calculate the amount of one higher strength and another lower strength to which must be added together to produce or to make the required strength which is in between this higher and lower strength. So if we have two strengths, one is higher strength and the other is lower strength, and we need a strength which is in between these two, then we can use this method of alligation method. So what we will do, we will write the higher strength here, and below we will write the lower strength. In between we will write the required strength. Then we will subtract the required strength from higher strength, and we will subtract the lower strength from the required strength. Now this arrow you can see. So whatever the subtraction amount is obtained in ml, we require that of the lower strength, and this one in ml will require that of the higher strength. And when we add these two, total in ml will be the volume of the required strength. Let us take one example. Prepare 450 ml of 40% alcohol from 90% alcohol. So here the higher strength is the 90%, lower strength is 40%. Lower strength is water, which is 0% alcohol, and we need the required strength here is 40%. So required strength is 40%, and we have 90% alcohol, and we will dilute this 90% alcohol with water, which is 0% alcohol. So now we subtract 90 minus 40, it will be 50. So 50 ml of 0%, that is water we need. Then 40 minus 0 is 40 ml, we need 90% alcohol. So 40 ml of 90% alcohol, when added with 50 ml of water, we will get 90 ml of 40% alcohol. So that means we need 40 ml of alcohol in 90 ml. So 90 ml of 40% alcohol requires 40 ml of 90% alcohol. So 1 ml of 40% alcohol requires 40 by 90 ml of 90% alcohol. So we need 450 ml of 40% alcohol. So 450 ml of 40% alcohol requires 40 by 90 into 450. So that is 200 ml of 90% alcohol. So here 90, the multiple factor is into 5. If you multiply 5, it will be 450. So in this way also we can calculate. So 40 ml into 5, it will be 200 ml. So this is one method. This is also unitary method you can use to calculate the amount of 40% alcohol needed. Amount of 90% alcohol needed to produce the 40% alcohol. So to 200 ml of 90% alcohol is needed, and similarly in this way we can calculate. It will be into 5, 250 ml. So 250 ml water and 200 ml 90% alcohol, when we add together, we will get 450 ml of 40% alcohol. Let us take another example. prepare 800 ml of 60% alcohol from 80% alcohol. So given strength is 80% alcohol, required strength is 60% alcohol, and we will dilute with water, which is 0% alcohol. So higher strength 80% will write here, and in the middle we will write the 60%, which is required strength, and we will dilute with 0% alcohol. So water, there is no alcohol, so it is 0%. Okay. Now if we subtract, it will be 20. So we need 20 ml of water. And if we subtract here, it will be 60. So we need 60 ml of 80% alcohol to get 80 ml of 60% alcohol. So we can write one thing, that we need 60 ml of 80% alcohol and 20 ml of water to obtain 80 ml of 60% alcohol. So from this we can calculate, and we want to produce 800 ml. So 800 ml, when you want to, for 80 ml, 60 ml. So for 800 ml, the factor is into 10, so 60 into 10, that is 600 ml of 80% alcohol, into 10, 200 ml of water, we will get 800 ml of 60% alcohol. Or you can use the unitary method. For 80 ml we require 60 ml. For like this unitary method, for 80 ml we require 60 ml. For 1 ml we require 60 by 80 ml. And for 800 ml we require 60 by 80 into 800. So it will be 600. So we need 600 ml of 80% alcohol and 200 ml of water to produce 800 ml of 60% alcohol. So this is alligation method. Thank you.